How about we start HTML development? Right now I'm using Visual Studio Code or VS Code, which I recommend you to use to start HTML programming. All you need to do to create an empty folder dedicated to your project. Like I did Web Development Basic, I click on it now, it is empty, and I'll click first file. I'm gonna call it about.html page. Right now, at this point, we need a body, which consists from opening, closing HTML tags, head, and body itself. But however, in VS Code, all you need to do to place an exclamation mark, attention please, and click enter. Your body is created. First of all, you need to fix the title inside the head. Once again, let's start from the beginning. Exclamation mark, HTML document. We need to indicate this is HTML document type. So exclamation mark, doc type, space HTML. After that, we open HTML, we indicate the language, it could be different one. When we close HTML, inside HTML we have head and we have body. Inside the head we have title, which I'm gonna fix right now. I'm gonna call it about us page or about our company. Okay, at this point you can save your file and click here. You see show preview. See here title about our company. Okay, let's start with basic. Number one, we need to learn about paragraph. You type P and select paragraph. Opening and closing paragraph tags open. You type something. You can review it, and this is it. You can place as many of them as you like here. However, now let's learn about headings. You type H. There are six types of headings from H1 to H6. I'll select H1 and I type. This is H1. Then H, I select H2. This is H2. H, H3. This is H3. H, H4. H, H5. And finally, okay. Right now, let's see inside the body how all six type of headings look like. Show preview, and this is how it looks like. From header 1 to header 6. Now, I'll delete it. And inside body, I create important element. It's called division. Division. Whatever you need to place, you need to place inside this division. Opening and closing tag. For division, for any element, you assign ID. The professionals always assign ID. Say ID equals container. Before division, I insert paragraph, or лучше header, better header, sorry. Header, let's say I select header 3, and I'll type let me see it. Spell. Let me check the spelling. Financial bank company. Good. Now, if we open it, we need to align it. Align equals center. So inside the division, we open paragraph. Paragraph, paragraph. And let's place some text. Now, at this moment, I want to see it, the big screen. Let me put this one in bold. Welcome to Continental Bank. I'll type B. You select bold. You cut it off. You place inside. Now, let me see what else we might do. This paragraph I'd like to put in italic. Simply I. Cut it off. Place in italic. And this one, our expensive range, I'd like to put in underline. You type U for underline, select it, cut it off, and place it. Okay, let me save the file. We create about page right now. Okay, good. Let me check it in a big screen. Okay, this is how it looks in a big screen so far. Paragraph, text located in paragraph, enforced by bold, italic, and underline. At this moment, we might start styling it already. To start up cascading style sheets, internally, all you need to do after title, you say here, create space, and start typing style. Select it. Now we need to apply style to certain elements here. First of all, your element would be your body. So body. Style sheets are very simple. You open and close curly brackets. That's it. Here inside, in Visual Studio Code, you start typing. Background color. Select it, and we need to select background color. There are lots of them. Let me think which one to apply. Okay, I'll select light blue. That's it. It's enough for body. Next element would be header 3. We applied header 3. So H, you select H3, open, enter. Now, first of all, you wanna see the color. You select color, select, I'll probably select something like dark blue. Then you select font size, and I would like to have it larger. Then font family. There are lots of them, like around 12, I believe, or so. So let me think which one to select. Let's say Cursiva. And let's say text shadow. We might create some kind of text shadow here. Let me make aquamarine. Next element in your style sheet would be your paragraph. You type paragraph, select it, open, enter. Now, background color of paragraph. What kind of background color I want? All I want right now at this point to show you the possibilities. I'll choose khaki. Then, font size. I'd like to get it medium. Then, font family. I'll choose this one. Then, something else could be color. Color would be, let's say, blue. Okay, this is it. File, save. Let's see preview. Okay, background color would be different definitely. Was in paragraph. Floral white is fine by me. Let me see. Okay. Aqua. Dramatic, right? I'll do almond. Here will be in header. That's my color. You see? So good possibilities, so you can choose it. I'll do it simply red. Red. Probably let's go to body. Background color should be definitely different. Something lighter. Okay. At this point, it's good enough. Let's save it and view it in a large screen. At this point, let's refresh our page. This is it. This is all I wanted for today. Information, welcome, and so on. However, I need to stick one paragraph here and a couple of in the below. Obviously, I need something here. Before division, I need another paragraph, which I'm gonna dear valued customer, comma. Okay. And here below, after this paragraph, with text, I need to create two another ones. It's about page. So it's gonna be something like best regards, another paragraph, bank management. Something like this would be good enough for about page. Very good. Let me see in big screen. Let's refresh. See the difference. Dear valued customer, best regards management. Okay. This is good enough. So we learned how to apply heading here. This is heading 3, size 3. We learned about paragraphs. Paragraphs. We learned how to apply bold, how to apply Italian, how to apply underline. Let's review the code itself. Once again, we created a full-size HTML about company page. We updated title. Then we learned about paragraph and header sizes, heading sizes. We added heading sizes. We learned about it's called inline styling. inline. We aligned inline to center. We added information. Then we created ID. Sorry, we created division. We assigned ID to the division, and inside this division we added paragraphs, another paragraphs. We closed the division, after which we went up and we created internal cascading style sheets, opening, closing, and inside you simply speaking you call the elements which you have on your page. In this case it was the body itself, header 3, and paragraph, all inside the style. Now you see how easy it was. Once again, take a look. See you in another lectures.